In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell in Pocket Broker. Now to do this, you first want to open the app and sign into your account, and then from here on the chart which opens up, you want to first select what you want to buy and sell, or of course trade. So at the top left, you want to tap on the current, of course, asset you have selected, and then here you have currencies, you have commodities, you have stocks, and you have indices, okay? So you have to select whichever one you want. I'm just gonna go with something random. Let's just do gold for now over here, and there we go. Now to actually buy and sell, of course, you want to go to the bottom, and to physically do this, now of course I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just trying to show you how to achieve this. You want to go and set your time over here, so tap on time, and then you have a bunch of different options. You could go and tap these pluses and minuses, or you could just go and set the defaults at the bottom. You have things like seconds, minutes, and hours, as you can see. So S is for minutes, and then the number next to it indicates how much of that is going to be, of course, inside your time over here. And then you have minutes is M, and then you have hours, which is H, okay? So you have the least is 3 seconds, the most is 4 hours down here. Now when you do that, you have to also select your amount. So I'm on my demo account right now. I can do, for example, 100 like this. So I'm going to type in 100. There we go. And then what you could also do is just tap on buy or sell buttons at the bottom, and that's going to do it for you, okay? So if I tap on buy over here, I'm going to buy, as you can see. And if I tap on sell, I'm going to sell, and that's really how much there is to it. So there's not much more. You can then go to trades bottom left and see how it's working for you. You have the open trades and the closed ones as well. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.